Hello friends, how have you been? I hope you have been okay, you have been safe and sound. That's great and amazing. This is mathematics course. Once again, we want to learn a new topic. That's about power. You might have heard of this topic before. It's one of the most important topics in mathematics and it is used a lot, of course. As for operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions are very much important for mathematics, power does so as them. One of the most important topic regarding to mathematics and is used in a wide variety in math, in the field of math everywhere. So let's get started with this topic that's power, and it's a very much important topic, of course. So let's get started. Power. A simple definition that I've made for it is the shortest way of representing of the product of repeated numbers. In order to represent repeating numbers in a shorter or shortest way, we make use of the power. General form, we have a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a, and so on, equals a to the power n, or a nth power of a. This is the general form of the power, how to represent the power. Something really important here. Here, a is called base. This is called base, okay? I'm gonna do it with black marker. A is based. Here, n is called exponent. N is exponent. I hope you got it. If there could be a number, instead of a, we could write 2, 3, 4, any number you want. Whatever you want, you could put here. That is the base. Sorry, this is based, not based. Base, okay? Whatever comes here instead of n, or in the place of n, that is exponent. Here, a is called the base, and it's called exponent. This is kind of a to the power n is the exponential form of this, okay? This is exponential form. Exponential form. This is general form, but this is exponential form. I hope you got it. Let's see some example. You can understand it clearly. The power could be understood through these examples. I'll try my best to do more examples as well. Look at here. We have x multiplied by x multiplied by x, and so on. How to represent this multiplication in a shorter way? We make use of the power. The shortest way of representing of the product of repeating number. This is repeated x everywhere x in the form of product, okay? It's not addition, product. It can't be represented in power, okay? Because it's an addition. An addition couldn't be. It's just in case of multiplication, the product. So how do you represent this number in exponential form? Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have x. We take x as base, equals x as base. How many x do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X to the power 6. So easy, of course. X is base, and 6 is the exponent. Base and exponent. How do you represent this number? B multiplied by B multiplied by B, of course, you are taking just B, then adding its powers. How many B do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B to the power 5. Or we could say, how to say in speech this expression? You're gonna have to say 5th to the base B. 5th to the base B. Or you could say B to the 5th, F-I-F-T-H, or like this. Two different ways we have to bring this expression while speaking. 5th to the base B, or B to the 5th. B to the 5th. Of course, the second way is a little bit comfortable for you. What about the third one? Of course you can do it. It's the same as the above mentioned examples, above solved examples. So look at here. We have A over B multiplied A over B multiplied A over B multiplied A over B. What we should do is just take A over B whole to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole to the power, okay? Because this 4 belongs to A, belongs to B as well. So what is the base? A over B is the base. What is the exponent? That's the 4. I hope you got about power. Let's do some examples. I will make sure that you understand the power very much easily. Of course you will. Just watch this video till end and you will get all about the powers and how to solve problems related to powers. Well, here I've written some examples. How would you simplify them? The first example, we have 2 to the power 6 or 2 to the 6th. How would you simplify it? Of course, we would simplify as we have 2 6 times, okay? 2 is multiplied with its own self 6 times. How? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How would you solve it? Pretty amazing and pretty easy. Look at here. 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and 20, 64. The final answer is 64. This is the same as that. But here we have negative sign. Keep in mind, whenever the base is with negative sign, if we're just looking at the exponent then, if the exponent is an even number, then the final result, the final answer we get is always positive. If the next example, look at here. If the base is with negative sign and the exponent we have is an odd number, the final answer is always with negative sign. Let's check these examples out. Look at here. Negative 3 to the power 4 we could write as negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. First thing we shouldn't have to do is to multiply its symbols. Negative multiplied by negative becomes positive. Positive multiplied by negative, negative. Negative multiplied by negative becomes positive. I've written here, positive. 3, 3, 9. First we should multiply its symbols, then we should multiply the number. 3, 3, 9. 9, 3, 27, 27, 3, 81. Positive 81. Look at here, this example. I told you that the answer is always negative because the exponent is odd number while the base is negative. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 multiplied by negative 3. So negative multiplied by negative becomes positive. Positive multiplied by negative, negative. 3, 3, 9, 9, 3, 27. Negative 27. The fourth one, look at here. 5 over 2 whole to the second, okay? Second, yeah. This 2 belongs to 5, also belongs to 2. So it means that 5 divided by 2, or 5 over 2, is in the multiplication with its own self twice or 2 times. How? 5 over 2 into 5 over 2. And how do you solve it? Numerator into the numerator and denominator into denominator. So if the sign or the symbol is positive, don't care about it. It's always in the positive, the answer. So 5 into 5 becomes 25. 22 becomes 4. It can't be simplified anymore. If it could, you can then. 10 to the power 5. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. It becomes 1 lakh. I hope you got it. This was the rules how to simplify expressions. Now I'm gonna do some homework to you. You will check them out and you will try it by your own whether you can or can't. So this is homework for you. Simplify the following. The first example, Jack to the 6th. How do you simplify it? Jack is the name of a person. Of course, if you understand what really power is, you can write its answer. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 whole to the third. 4 over 2 whole to the third. 5 over 3 multiplied by 5 over 3 whole to the third. 0.5 over 0.5 whole to the third. So this is your homework, 5 questions. You should do one thing. If you find your answers, you could put your answers in the comment section below. I will be there to see your answers, whether they are correct or not. And also, if you have any question, you can share your questions in the comment section below. I will be there to answer to your questions as soon as I can. And thank you for your being with me, and don't forget to watch our channel, to check out our channel for new coming videos. I will be there to share with you about laws of the power. Of course, an important topic we will be discussing about. And well, thank you. I will see you in the next coming video. Bye for now.